Hi guys, hope you're well. In today's video, I'm gonna sell some bags that I'm selling on damnluxurystore.com. This is my pre-love website. I'm a bag lover. If you are too, consider subscribing to this video and let's go. I'm gonna give you each time the condition default of the bag. I'm going to show them. On the website, you have the USD, Euro price. You also have dimensions, photos, description, everything is on it. I ship worldwide, so do not hesitate. If you have questions, comment below. Let me know which bag do you prefer in the comment section. I'll let you know. Every information also is in description, like for example, my outfit. Let's start with this beautiful Saint Laurent college bag. Color is Bordeaux, so this is like dark red, I would say. Beautiful, beautiful condition. As you can see, full leather of this bag. The chain and the hardware are in very good condition. This is a crossbody bag, as you can see. You can decide to remove the chain if you want. Condition on the outside is so great. Corners are amazing. I'm just gonna show you the bottom of the bag, but the corners are so great. You have photos on the website. Huh? Here you have first pocket, also very good. And you open with a Prussian button. Inside is super great, as you can see, but yeah, here you have one large pocket, a zipper package is here, and another one there. I do have the entreprise certificate of this bag plus our certificate, so do not hesitate. Price for this one is 1,850 euro. I will let you know on the screen what is the USD price, but everything is on the website anyway. Let's go for the second bag. Second bag is here. This is a Gucci. I have a dust bag, so I'm super happy. And as you can see, this is a belt bag. Super cute. You could decide to remove the belt and to add like some maybe little chains, but this is a Margot Gucci belt bag. I'm gonna try to add it on me. Let's put it here. You have, the strap is adjustable, guys, so depending also on your size, but it will fit many people. This is what I loved about this bag, actually. So let's put it here, for example. This is so stylish, like, I love it. This is so cool. Condition is also very good for this little baby. It was used, but very little, as you can see. So, like today it's empty, so you have very few little trace of wear. Even the strap is in amazing condition. I'm gonna show you the inside. Inside is like suede, like very good, with a little pouch pochette here. So I have a dust bag for this one. Price is 675 euro. I love it, and I don't really see any stain. You have some little trace of wear, but almost nothing. So this is actually a very good one. Then good news, I have a Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 in monogram. So excited. This is such a cool one. As you can see, monogram Kenda is great on every part. I didn't fill the bag properly. You have like the leather parts are a little bit darker, but very good. The hardware is used a little bit on the bag. This is another brand new one. Leather is tan, but very good. Inside is amazing, like no stain for this one. You do have the leather pulled. Be careful to not like touch it here and take like to zipper, like to close the bag. Take it by the metallic part and not the leather part, because it can damage very easily. It can break like all the time, but you can fix it for 25 euro at Vuitton. In case, here is not broken. Padlock and 2 keys, and the only thing about this one, no, there is nothing actually. Very good little pouch inside. I'm so happy. This is a very good one. I'm gonna give you the year. Year is 2000, actually 2000. So it's great. Price is 590 euro for this little baby. Same type of bag, different brand. Now we have a Celine Boston bag. Very cute for this one. A very good condition. As you can see, you have macadam canvas and leather parts. The leather parts are in very good condition. Very few little trace of wear. You have little fits on the bottom. Hardware is a little bit used. It's not a brand new one. It's kind of a vintage. Corners are a little bit rubbed, a little bit used. It's a pre-loved one, but very nice. Let me show you the inside now. As you can see, the inside is in such a good condition, and you have a zipper pocket, which is so useful. It looks like a Speedy, but cheaper and like way less monogram, I would say. But yeah, price is €380. It gives a very good outfit, like a very good style. Now, a little pouch that can like make a very nice gift for Christmas, for example. This is a little pouch. Voila. You have a leather parts that are a little bit used, very little. Hardware also, corners. Corners are actually very good, very, very good. Like the canvas also is super good. Zipper works well. Inside you have very few little trace of wear, very few little stain, but it's very, very mini. So it's actually great. The pouch is very, very good condition. Let me check the price for you guys. Price is €239. This is a very good price. I'm very happy. If you want it, go on my website, margavaluxpro.com, and give a thumbs up to this video, please. Like, it takes me a long time to film, to edit. It's a lot of work and effort, like way more than some other social media. So, you know, just to support me and Vincent, because we work as a couple in this company, PM EST store. So, and it's also thanks to you. I have like other videos, obviously, but every Wednesday I release a video where I sell bags that are pre-loved and comes from clients, mostly from France, but also from all Europe and all over the world sometimes. And on Sundays, I have more classic vlogs, a video where I explain how to spot fake, how to like new collection, my opinion on some bags, if you should go or not, and some of the price that increased, and etc. Next now is a Keepall size 55. This is one of the best size to get. I have padlock and two keys, tag name, suitcase attached. Condition on this one is very good, I have to say. Very, very good. Almost no trace of wear on the leather, which is quite rare. Hardware is used, like tarnished. The corners are very little bit rubbed. This is quite amazing. Let's go and see the inside actually, because this is a vintage and I'm quite impressed about the condition. So on the inside, we have a very good condition. The fabric has like, it's not a little stain, but I think it's like, because it's old, that's it. But yeah, this is a very, very good one, and I'm going to check the price, but you are going to be in love. €630, which is so great. In Europe, they don't do anymore the ones without the strap. They only do like the one with the strap, and it's worth more than €2,200. So we are like 70-75% of the price. This is a vintage. This is a pre-loved. So obviously, it's not the price of a brand new, but we still have very good price for you. Stay until the end because I have some other items for you. Speaking of another travel bag, I have this one from Celine. This one is smaller. It's similar to a size, I would say 40-45. Very good bag also from Celine. Macadam canvas. Condition on this one is between good and very good. Like you have some little trace of wear on the leather, but it's very small actually. Corners are a little bit rubbed, but it's so nice. You have two keys and the padlock. I usually don't have the keys for these ones, so it's actually a very good news. And let's see the inside of the bag. So the inside of the bag is actually very, very good. You have a zipper pocket also that is in great condition. I'm in love with this bag, and the price is €370. I'm trying to show you from closer, but I think you're gonna love it. Another Louis Vuitton bag now. We have a very cute little bag in amazing condition with a strap. This is a short strap. You can adjust it a little bit, but it is a short one. This is such an easy bag. Very useful, amazing condition, as you can see. You have a zipper pocket. Like, no, it's not even a zipper pocket, sorry. This is a pocket. Voila. Inside is thread leather. You have a little pen mark trace inside, but it's small. Otherwise, this is so good. Even corners are so little bit rubbed. Very good condition. All the bags that you see behind me are either on the website or on Whatnot application, or they are already sold out, maybe in between I'm filming and editing and releasing the video. This one, for example, I'm selling it for €570. This is a very good price. Now, a Louis Vuitton SLG, small leather goods. So this is a small Louis Vuitton compact toilette, monogram canvas. Canvas is very good. Actually, corners are a very little bit rubbed, but it's super small. Hardware is a bit used. This is not a brand new one. You have scratches and a little bit of useness on this one. Let's open it. So on this side, so many stuff, like so many like place for cards. and a big one here for cash, for example. Very good condition. I must say this one is good, super good. And this here, my friends, is for coins in very, very good condition. I'm impressed. This one is one of the best I had, and it's 215 euro. This is a very good price. And voila for today. This is all. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really do hope you enjoyed. Consider subscribing to this channel again and share. Go on the website. If you have any questions, do not hesitate. I try now to see for covering customs. I will try to change it on the website anyway. Contact me if you are from the US or at least outside Europe. I ship from Europe. I'm French, but I live in Spain right now in Barcelona. If you are traveling to Barcelona, we can meet. I'd be super happy to meet you to take some of your bag in consignment or to sell you a bag. We can meet at your hotel directly or in a cafe, in your hotel, anything. I'd be very happy to meet you. So do not hesitate. I already met few of you and I was super happy. So I'm here. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna put you 2 other videos next to me. Don't hesitate to watch and to like also. And I see you soon. Bisous!